Hello, good day. Welcome to another segment of Integrity Text online video tutorial. As we have been doing a series of how to create your Android phone using APPCREATOR24.com. We have explained how you can sign up, how you can build your app, then how you can modify your app using general information and design. Today we are going into the next segment, which is on section. But before that, let's look at the app we have created in the word technology. For those of you that have been following this series, so let's look at now. You can see my launch image, you can see the background. So you can see this is the welcome notes. Assuming that I click on yes on that welcome note, it will show if this should keep displaying. But as I click on no, it will always display anytime the user open the app. So click on OK to proceed. So you can see the background color. Assume I choose a background image, this color will not appear to be that image. So this is the meaning of gradient. You can see it's a little stain of it. So you can see what I have here. And don't forget, when we are setting up, I said I'm building a blog app. So this is for the blog. So this is the this button here will take us straight to the blog. But it would be good I just have an app like this with only one information on blog. So that's where creativity sets in. You need to have varieties of stuffs on the app. Can decide to add maybe newspapers. Can decide to add let's say a chatting forum, where people can comment and talk about one problem or the other. So it all depends on what you want. So let's quickly look at it. So let's exit the app. Okay, so now to do all this I've said, you go to section. On your section, you can see the first thing our wizard help us to create. I can edit this by clicking on that pencil, the little pencil there, and then you see now I can edit the URL. I can edit the stuffs here. You see now I can edit this section. This section can be edited. Okay, it can even be deleted. So if I delete this, my section, there will be no more section. So before I delete it, let me create a section. Click on create section. Then you select the type of section you want to create. So what I want to create is a website. The app should lead to my website. That's the first thing I want to link. There are other sections, but they are still loading. So the other section loading. Other sections are loading. Let me refresh. Okay, so the web section I click has loaded. Okay, let's go back. Section, create section. Other sections are loading. Like I said, you can see them. They are coming up. Okay, so I need a web section. So depend on the section you need, you can choose from here. So everything just is to be built around your creativity. So on this web section, I need it Integrity Text blog. Okay, then I can input my website, https:// okay, so include my blog, additional settings. So do you want this to be showing in the menu? Yes. If no, click on no. So you just follow what you need from here. and then go through it carefully. They are very easy and understandable. Then I can choose a menu, an icon for this my blog. I can choose an icon. To be good, it has an icon. Okay, to be good, it has an icon. Let's say I'm going with this icon for the blog, and then I click on save. Okay, it's saving. Okay, so you click on back to go back to the same section. So now this arrow, up and down arrow, means you can easily move this to be number 1, and you move it down to number 2. This other one there means you want to copy the same, and this one means to delete. I've explained before. Okay, let's save this sorting order. Okay, so this arrow means to remove. Like I said before, anything you do, ensure you always save. So I can create a section. I need a newspaper section, so you use web for that newspaper. I need a section that when my user click it, at least they should be able to have access to about 10 different newspapers, and that can be achieved by creating a web link to those newspaper sites. You see it now? That's where creativity comes in. Let's say I need Vanguard, then I'll put the address of the Vanguard, https /Vanguard, I think it's vanguard.com. You can Google for the right address. Then additional setting, this should not show on the menu because I want to create it inside a section, so it should not show on the menu. Then I can decide to put a Vanguard newspaper icon, or I leave it, and then I save. Okay, so use this to go back to the section. So I can create another one because I need series of newspaper. So let's say this time around we need Punch. Punch newspaper. So https, already you must have googled the address you need. So Punch I think is .ng, so you can Google for the right address, please. So show in menu, I don't want it to show in menu because I need them in a section. I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So save. So what I need now is I want to merge. That's how you do for the rest newspaper, or as many newspapers you want them to be together. So I want all the newspaper to be in a section, such a way that when you click on it, you will see all the newspapers I have on my app. So I'll click on submenu. So I'll make all those things to become a submenu. Okay, so what is the title of the submenu? Newspapers. So it all depends on you, and then you use this to select. I need a Vanguard newspaper. Add. What again do you need? Punch newspaper. You add. So that's how you keep adding all the newspaper you have created. Ensure all the newspaper you have created is you are clicking no, so that they will not appear on the main menu. Good. So you can choose the style you want for this. You can choose it to be this. Okay, it all depends on you. So you can set the color you need on this, and then you click on save. Okay, you click on save. Saving issue of network. So let it save and let's check. Okay, so now let's see the effect of what we have done. Okay, so you can see this is the blog. The newspaper, on that section I forgot to add an icon, so we'll still go back another. So clicking on this now will lead you straight to the blog. It will lead you straight to the blog website. So it's loading. Oh, you can see now. So as you can see, we have successfully included your blog to your app. So this is how you can enable your users. They go back, then newspaper. You can see all the newspaper I'm going to upload now are going to appear in the sub menu. So by clicking on no, we enable them not to be in all this place. They will be inside the sub menu. So let's add an icon to this sub menu. Okay, so you go back. So you click on, okay, let this sub menu be up. Take it up. Okay, so save the order first. Ensure you always save anything you do. Okay, so let's edit the sub. So go to advanced setting and then choose a file, an icon for it. Okay, so let's just choose a content. I'm just trying. So since it's a newspaper, you need to Google any newspaper image, so to enable you achieve what you want. Okay, saving. Okay, saving. Saving network. Still saving. Okay, so our work has saved. Let's check and see. So you need to exit the app and then reopen again to see the effect of what you have done. So you can see it has gotten a logo. So that's how you can add an icon to whatever you have done, and then when you click on it, you see other newspaper, and then you click to have access to the web. So let's say I want to upload a content of an image. How do I achieve that? There is a section whereby only images. Let's say I need hair, like hairstyle. I need people to have access, or my users to have hairstyle access. You go to text and image. So it is on this text and image you are going to achieve this. So let's quickly create these two additional section, and then we pause. We might put a pause. So I can decide to say, okay, I need a subtitle and an image. Sorry. not this. You go for image and stickers. No, yes, image and stickers. So I need displays of image is on image and stickers. So the section title, let me say fashion style. On this section, fashion style. Okay, so I'll click, select the image I need. Okay, so let's say fashion style. I need this as a fashion. Let's assume this is a dressing fashion. And then what description do I want to add? Let's say latest. Okay, so I click on send. Okay, so this sending depends on the size of the picture, so it might take a longer time to send, so you just need to be patient and wait for it to send. So that's how you can upload series of pictures, by choosing them and send. Then when you are through, you click on this overall save button here to save your work. Okay, so as you can see, it has uploaded. I can choose another one, I can choose another style, so depend on, and like I said, the picture size depend how long it will delay. So let's say these two, you can say suits, latest suits. Just put something, the description is optional, it's not must. So it's still loading. Okay, so you can see you can edit this using the pencil, and you can delete it using the dustbin icon. So I can advanced setting, you can set by choosing an image for this. So because of time and the length of the video, I will just, so it have saved, you can see. Okay, let's say let's create another section, one more section, then we check on what we have done. Let's say I want to create a forum, okay, where people can chat, enable people to chat. Have chatting, you have forum. Take note, they are different. So let's say I'm creating a forum. On chatting, people chat is like a group, individual can chat, but in forum you drop a discussion. You can drop a discussion. So you can see the title of the forum you put. Do you want people to be posting image? Yes. Likes on topic, likes on people answer, likes on comment. So it depends on your setting, but I will advise you to leave some of those things on default. Then on this, only administrator can publish. So it will be good you allow your app to be in such a way that only the administrator can publish. So I think that one is best. It will help you have control over your forum since you created it. Then every other setting you can decide to do. And then let's name this forum integrity text forum. Okay, so under advanced setting you can put an image for this forum. You can choose an icon for this forum. So let's save. Oh, sorry, we need to add category. So we need to add category. Let me add at least one category. So let's say phone, you can add phone. Let's say you can add let's say gossip. Okay, so you can see, so you can add various things. Depend on what you want, and you can edit them using the pencil I've told you about editing. So save. Okay, so let's preview what we have done so far. What is that? Okay, so you can see what you have done. So fashion style, click on it, it's loading the images. So this is how you can load images on your application. You can see them now. So who clicks on it, you can click on it to zoom it. So this is how you can load series of images on your app. Okay, so on the forum, click on it. So it tells you to create your information. So let's say John, description, bet here. You can decide to make this compulsory. Okay, so like gender, is good to make it compulsory, so that people, but birthday you can leave it optional. Then photo is good to make it compulsory, so that people photo will be there. Okay, so depend on the way you want it. Then the save. So now you can see, sorry, this is what we clicked on before. So you can see now, you can see phone gossip. So on this gossip, someone can create a topic. Sorry. So you can create a topic by clicking on new topic. So any user can create a topic. So it depends on the way the admin sets the app. Then other people can now comment. Other users who are using the app can now comment. So this is how you can work on your app. So you just need to be creative on what you actually need, and that is it. So free any question, please feel free to ask me or chat me up, and I will do my best to always put it through. Integrity Text love you. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. We love you.